Hello children, hope you all are fine. So come, let's start our poem 3 in English, lineage. So what do you mean by lineage? Lineage means the members of a person's family who are directly or related to that person and who lived a long time before him or her, or in other words we can also say ancestors or forefathers. Lineage. The poem is written by Margaret Walker. She was born on July 7th, 1915 in Birmingham, Alabama. She joined the Federal Writers Project after graduation from Northwestern University. She taught at Jackson State University until retirement in 1969, and she died on November 30th. In this poem, we will learn how old people are stronger than the youth. The poet talks about her grandmothers and asks why she is not able to be stronger like them. I will read the first paragraph. My grandmothers were strong. They followed plows and bent to toil. They moved through fields, sowing seed. They touched earth and grain grew. They were full of steadiness and singing. My grandmothers were strong. Here, the poet is saying that my grandmothers were strong. Children, do you agree that your grandmothers are stronger than your mothers? Yes, our grandmothers are stronger than our parents. They followed plows and bent to toil. Toil means work extremely hard. They used to work in the field. Plow means a large tool used by farmers to turn over the soil before planting crops. They moved through fields sowing seeds. Sowing, plant seeds in the earth, sowing seeds to grow the plant. They touched earth and grain grew. They used to bend and sow the seeds in the earth, so the grain grew. They were full of steadiness and singing. They used to sing while working to forget their tiredness, and they used to enjoy their work. So they were very strong. Steadiness means strength. They were very strong. My grandmothers were full of memories, smelling of soap and onions and wet clay, with veins roughly over quick hands. They have many clean words to say. Why am I not as they? The poet is expressing about the grandmothers. They were full of memories. Means they have a sharp memory. They remember everything. You can see your grandmothers. You can hear the stories and incidents of their childhood, their young age, and whatever had happened when they are in our age. You can hear. They still remember, so they have a sharp memory. Smelling of soap and onions and wet clay means the grandmothers were working in field, so they used to touch the earth, the soil, so they used to smell like a wet clay. Onions, more onions they used to eat, cook for cooking also, and washing clothes or utensils, so they used to smell like a onions, soap and wet clay. With veins roughly over quick hands. Quick hands means busy hands. They always used to work, and you can see veins on your grandmother's hands. They are always busy in one or the other work. They have many clean words to say. They are always encouraging and are always kind with others. They always talk politely with others. So they have many clean words to say. The poet is saying, why am I not as they? Why I am not like my grandmother? This poem describes about the value of the elderly people. The poet's grandmother, even in her old age, was able to work in her agricultural field. But the younger generations could not do such things. She could plow and sow seeds and even do hard work in the field. The poet happens to see the younger generation is not determined to work like her grandmother, who are known for their hard work. The poet questions herself why she is not like them. I hope you all understood the poem. Read once again poem and by heart. Thank you.